Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 49, and I'm your host, Terry Davis. Let's see where God takes us. We are in okay, this actually does not work. It's supposed to demonstrate the difference between cached and uncached memory. I assume it's because we are in VMware. It most definitely used to work when I had it on native hardware. So, how could that be possible? Maybe I am mistaken. Okay, so there I have output from when I had it on native hardware. Unless something changed. I accidentally. So this is the get timestamp counter. Get timestamp counter is there's a Intel instruction RD timestamp counter. Anyway, they don't want you to use it to break passwords. So it's got a little bit of I think the granularity is 16 cycles, and also on other operating systems this is off limits. This is a counter that holds the CPU cycles. Anyway. Okay, so what I'm attempting to do here is use a rare memblocks uncached allocate. When I set this up, I thought I would do this frequently. You would use this for it's not for device memory. I don't know what it for a DMA buffer maybe. Anyway, uncached allocate. Then it sets up a heap control, which the blocks are 2 meg. The heap control is within that 2 meg. That's 12 is 0x. Shared blocks. I'm confused. Those are, I think those are, that math will confuse you. I do not use the standard 4K memory pages. Mine doesn't use pages for the most part, except when you start doing what we're doing here. And then I use 2 meg, and anyway, you might find it hard to believe, but I don't use the 4K pages. But when I do this, I have to align. Anyway, uncached I64. So it creates a heap. Normally your heap is associated with your task, but you can make an independent heap by allocating some memory. Now we have an uncached heap, and we allocate a pointer, and then we try to do a time comparison point of cached and uncached, and then we free the 2 meg heap. So I can run it. Doesn't. We could check the page table. We can point to the page table, and then let's do I like to cut this out. Go to my home directory. Let's get rid of all that. I'm not even gonna. I just want to see it. I want to see what the page table is. Let's see. Okay. So if you go into the memory routines, there's block pool, heap control, page tables. We want mem page table, point page table. And you pass it an address. Mem page table, okay. This is a pointer. Oh. Page table entry, and we'll say star. So I don't even remember what this means. So the bottom bits, I could look. If I looked, you would not be able to see. I think there's a uncached. One of these bits is uncached. Anyway, oh well.